So Asta has shared her screen, Turbo C screen. And now we'll start with writing the program on factorial. In fact, once we have written the program for factorial, now today we will write the program by using for loop. Okay, give space. Give space. Huh? Now for factorial, one thing we must understand that factorials are always integer. They do not carry decimal point. And so whatever declaration we must give should be integral type. So int space n comma f comma I semicolon. Now see int nfi, this is because n means I want to mention for which number I am going to compute the factorial. F is my output factorial and I is my counter. I will start from 1 to n. So I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3. So that counter. So to begin with, we will initialize f by 1 because we are in a product mode, multiplication mode. And so we'll initialize f by 1. So initialize f by 1. Yes, semicolon. Okay. Now let me give CLR SCR, clear screen. CLR SCR. Okay, now I want to take the value of n from screen, sorry, monitor. So I will give the command. First, I will give the message printf bracket double into comma backslash n. Enter the value of capital N. Enter the value of n, small n. Enter the value of n equal to inverted comma complete bracket complete semicolon. Because here we are not displaying, we are fetching the value from scanf. So scanf bracket double into comma. Now you have to give the specifier and percent d because you are in integer mode. Percent d double into comma and n n bracket complete semicolon. Okay, so with these two statements you are fetching the value of n from keyboard. Now I will apply for loop. For bracket, you know, for loop has three components. One is initialization, second one is termination, and third one is the changeover. So I will start with I equal to 1. So my first component is I equal to 1. Semicolon. I will terminate at n because I want to calculate the factorial of n. So I less than or equal to n. I less than or equal to n. Semicolon. And I will increase my value of I by 1 each time. So I plus plus. bracket complete, bracket complete. At the end of the bracket, there is no semi comma for, because within for we have many more statements which we are now going to list out below. Okay. So write down next line. Next line. Now give curly bracket. Space. And here write down f equal to f star I. F equal to f star I. Semi comma. Bracket complete. Curly bracket complete. You can complete there also, no problem. Curly bracket. Okay. Come next. Now this is where I have completed my factorial calculation. So now I will take the output. Printf factorial of %d is %d double into comma complete comma. Now my first %d is n and second %d is f. Why again % you are typing after comma? You just have to type n and f. N comma f. Bracket complete. Semi comma. Get ch. And complete the curly bracket. First curly bracket. Opening curly bracket. That's all. Compile. Success. No errors. Right? No errors. Run. Enter the value of n. Enter. Enter the value of n. 4. Okay. Enter. Factorial of 4 is 24. Correct? Factorial of 4 is 24. Now, again run the program. Again run the program. Again run the program. Again run the program. Now I will give the value of n. Say n is equal to 15, 1, 5. Enter. See, you are getting factorial of 15 is 2, 2, 5, 2, 8. And I think it is not correct. It is not correct because I will tell you the exact value of factorial 15. I will give you the exact value of factorial 15. Factorial 15 comes to be, it's in terms of crores, 13076743680000. It's a very big number. 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is around 13 digital number. It is about 13 digital number. So definitely you are getting the wrong value. And actually it is not wrong value. C has limitations of carrying the value of the integer data because your integer variable reserves 2 bytes memory. 1 byte means 8 bit. 2 byte means 16 bits. Now out of these 16 bits, the leftmost bit is reserved for sign, whether number is plus or minus. Okay, and remaining will be the value. So that comes to be around minus 32,767 to 32,768. This is the true range. Enter. This is the enter. I am telling you, write down here. I will tell you the number. Write down minus 32. Type here. Minus. अरे खालीच टाईप कर ना त्या ब्रॅकेटच्या तिथंच. हा minus 32 minus 32,767 2 TO डॅश स्पेस देऊन TO कर. तो 2 काढून टाक. स्पेस 2 TO. हा स्पेस दे परत. स्पेस दे परत. 32768. 32768. This is the range of integer type data. Right? Your whatever calculation that belongs to in this range will be displayed. If it goes beyond it, it will be recycled. It will be recycled. And so you will get some different number. So what is the alternative for that? Alternative is there. Okay, alternative is there. So let us cancel this number. Cancel this number. And come to the scanf statement. Come to the scanf statement. In scanf statement, %UD, %UD, UD, %UD. And in integer statement comes unsigned int. Come here. Integer, integer, integer. Left to the integer word. Right there, unsigned. UN, unsigned, unsigned, ED. Okay. Now see, the meaning of unsigned is what? I know my factorial is not negative. My factorial is not 0. My factorial will start from 1 onwards. So unnecessarily wasting that negative part, unnecessarily wasting this negative part, we are using this trick. Okay. Now here also you have to write UD in printf statement. In printf statement. Here. Second printf statement. There is no D. Okay. Now let us compile. Compile. Success. Okay. So it has taken unsigned. Now run. Now run. Run. Okay. I will give the same number 15. 15. Enter. Okay. Can you see the number is changed? Factorial of 15D. Right? It is changed. So this is the trick where actually you are not getting the correct value because 15 factorial is very, very big. Enter. Enter. So I think you have understood the program of factorial. Now I will go to the program for two-dimensional array, or what is called as matrix. Okay. Okay. So let us save this. If you want, you can save this. Factorial, program for factorial. Save as factorial. Actually, already we have one factorial program, but that is based on if-else statement. That is based on if-else statement. This is based on for loop. So you have to give the different title. Okay, different title. Okay. Such a space is not allowed. Such a space is not allowed. You have to give either underscore or you have to continue the word. Space is not allowed. This space is not allowed. Factorial. This is not for loop. This is basically program for factorial. Okay. Okay. So fact for, this is the title. Now we will go for program for two-dimensional array or matrix. So let us come with earlier few beginning statements. Okay, we will start now. Now here, let us define first of all float space x square bracket 3 bracket complete, again bracket, square bracket, opening bracket, and then a closing bracket, 3 bracket complete, semi-comma. Then write down int ij, I comma j, semi-comma. Now see here, float x33. It means your x is a two-dimensional array. The first dimension means number of rows. Second dimension means number of columns. It means your x is a matrix of maximum 3 rows and maximum 3 columns. So this matrix has 9 entries, 3 into 3, but these 9 entries are not x1, x2, x9, but they are arranged in a 3 rows and 3 columns. So to begin with, we'll see how to enter this matrix first. That is the most important thing. In float, you write down one more variable, say t. In float. Write down one more variable by giving comma, say t, temporary variable. T. Okay. Okay. Now come to the third statement. Write down clear CLR SCR, bracket complete, enter. Okay. For bracket I equal to 1, semi-comma, I less than or equal to 3 or I less than 4, semi-comma, I plus plus, bracket complete. Again give curly bracket. Again give for space I told you, give always space for bracket j equal to 1, j equal to 1, semi comma, j less than 4, semi comma, j plus plus, bracket complete, not that bracket, round bracket. Come to the next statement. Again give curly bracket, but where will you give now? Below for, yes. Give space. Printf, write down bracket, double inverted comma, backslash n. Enter the value of enter the value of x bracket 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 percent d comma percent d bracket complete equal to double inverted comma complete bracket complete semicolon. Scanf, next statement, scanf bracket double inverted comma percent f double inverted comma complete comma and t bracket complete semicolon and t not d. We have defined variable t again below above bracket complete semicolon. Enter x bracket I bracket complete again bracket j equal to t semicolon. Okay, now you have to close the curly brackets. So close two curly brackets. Close this one. Right. Next, come enter and close. Yes. And below that, write down get ch. And then close main curly bracket. Get ch semi-comma. Get ch semi-comma. Okay. Now see here, you will understand. Compile the program. Okay, there are no errors. Let us come to the run. Okay. Enter few values. Say 1, enter 1. Enter 1. Enter 2. Enter 3. 9 values we have to enter. Enter. Again enter. Okay. Something is wrong here. Okay. See here, percent D we have given, but here we have not mentioned I or J. So give here comma and mention I comma j. That's the mistake. Here. After the double inverted comma, I comma j. Yes. Now again compile. Run. Okay. See now, enter the value of x11. That means, okay, enter the value of x12. Stop. Stop. Enter the value of x11, 1. Enter the value of x12, 2. Enter the value of x13, 3. See, what it means is that you are entering the values of first row, first column, second column, third column. So in your matrix, first row carries values 1, 2, 3. Now second row starts here. Enter. Say 5. Enter 5. Enter. Enter 6. And stop. See, this is the second row you are started. In the second row, first column, second column, third column, values are 4, 5, 6. Now you have started with third column. So enter 7. 7. Enter 8. Enter 9. Okay, stop. So see here, third row, first column, second column, third column. Now enter. Enter. So this is how matrix is entered. This is the entry of matrix. How to enter in the C compiler. Now how to display it, how to add it, how to transpose it, how to multiply it, how to subtract it. So all these matrix operations we have to carry out. But before that, you must understand how the matrix is entered. Here for I equal to 1, I less than 4. This is responsible for row operation. Within row operation means when your row is first, all columns are entered here. Okay. So this is how the matrix operation, matrix entry. In the tomorrow's lecture, we'll see how to display the matrix, and then we'll go for addition of two matrices. So you can save here this program as matrix entry. Save this program as matrix entry. Save this program as matrix entry. Save this program as matrix entry. Entry. But okay, matrix, it's okay. Okay. Now you can take off your screen. You can take off your screen.